Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I told you guys that I was going to show you the other stuff that I got for my room. The first thing that I need to do is clean up in here, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done first, and then we'll start putting up the decor, and then we can decorate because I'm so excited about that part. So anywho, these things were up there on my ceiling fan. Let me show you guys. You can't see, but anyway, they're butt ugly. They're ugly, and I did not want them. Ugh. So there are 3 of those that are going in the garbage. I don't think anybody wants them. So guys, these are the pillows cases that I bought first, and they were too bright, so these are the ones that I'm returning. And here are the new lampshades. Which I should put the mirrors up first probably, but I have to go and get some command strips for the mirrors. And I have to go and get my emissions testing done. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna wash this and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back from getting my emissions testing done, and so I guess we'll do the drapes first, and then we can do the mirrors and the bed. Black curtains, guys, I have some white sheer curtains that I'm going to put in the middle. If you remember in the last video, I was saying that I wanted the white curtains with the black bottom, but I didn't find those on Amazon, and I think they may be at Target, but I had already purchased these, so I'm just going to go with it. Not the right size. Okay guys, I just struggled with this duvet cover. And I use duvet covers. I know that you just roll the comforter up and then you can easily slip it on, but this one was something different. So anyway, I'll be right back. I'm going to clean the walls with this before I put the mirrors up. Okay, they didn't have the command hooks that I was looking for, or the latches that I was looking for, so I got these. I hope they hold. We shall see.